The latest Philippine Statistics Authority figures on unemployment are something to feel hopeful about and reason enough to even work harder for. PSA records show unemployment fell a substantial 0.8 of a percentage point in October from figures in July, which simply translate to 400,000 more Filipinos finding jobs between July to September, as our Rod Lagusad reports.
The Philippine Statistics Authority reported a decrease in the unemployment rate. Based on the data from the October 2024 Labor Force Survey, the unemployment rate dropped to 3.9% or 1.97 million compared to 4.7% or 2.38 million in July. From this number, the unemployment count went down by over 400,000. According to PSA National Statistician and Civil Registrar General Undersecretary Claire Dennis Mapa, the successive tropical cyclones impacted the number of unemployed. Notably, the number of employed people in the fishing and aquaculture industry dropped by 190,000.
Ang nakikita namin talaga itong mga bagyo. So siyempre, siguro cautious yung ating mga fisher folks na lumabas because of the storms. And nakikita namin yung typhoon talaga, medyo nag-contribute siya doon sa mga subsectors kung saan bumaba yung ating employed persons.
And because of the succession of tropical cyclones lasted until November, this trend could also be reflected in that month. The PSA hopes that by December, the situation will improve. Kasi
ang activities naman natin kasi sa Disyembre ay kadalasan yung mga retail trade, no? So doon, and accommodation and food service activities. So ang nakikita namin na mayroong pagtaas tayong makikita doon. So ganoon naman talaga dahil usually itong last quarters, October, November, December, in the past, talagang may pagtaas yan sa mga employed persons. But
in connection with this, the number of people with jobs also increased, with over 450,000 more people employed. From 47.7 million or 95.3% in July, it rose to 48.16 million or 96.1% in October. The industries of administrative and support service activities, accommodation and food service activities, transportation and storage, and construction have recorded a significant number of people who found employment. From PTV Manila, Rod Lagusad, Balitang Pambansa.